Good morning, frogs. How are you today? Let's start our morning assembly by singing the good morning song. 1, 2, and 3. Good morning, and how are you? Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Here we are. So now, let's remember the days of the week to see which day is it. 1, 2, and 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Do you think it's Friday? No, it's not. Is it Sunday? No. Is it Monday? No, it's not. Yesterday it was Monday. So that means today is Tuesday. Very good. Today it's Tuesday, the 23rd of June. Okay? So now we're going to remember the members of the family, the animals, and then we'll make a beautiful experiment. Okay? Pay attention. Let's start with the members of the family. Who is this? This old woman is Grandma. This is Grandma. And who's this? It's Mommy or Mom. It's Mom or Mommy. Here comes this old man. It's Grandpa. Here comes Dad. Dad. There is the baby. Here comes the baby. There is the brother, and this is the sister. Very good. Do you remember a song that we've learned talking about the members of the family and some animals? Yes. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. And there you have Grandma Shark, Grandpa Shark, Mommy Shark, and Daddy Shark. These are 4 members of the family, 5 with the baby. Okay? Now let's move on and remember the animals. The one that flies and goes zzz all the way around, it's the bee. Here comes the one that gives us eggs, the hen. Here is the slowest animal, the tortoise or turtle. The snake. Goes the fish. Here comes the cat. And there is the pig. Here comes the rabbit with his long ears. Here comes the bear. Here comes a toucan. It's a toucan or a parrot. A cow. Very good. Woof. The dog. The sheep. There is another bear, but a different one. The panda bear. The duck. Another black and white animal. The penguin. And another one, black and white. The zebra. And this is all for the animals. Now, pay attention to the other video, do the experiment, and enjoy it. Love you, frogs. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hi, frogs. Here we are again. So remember, today is Tuesday, the 23rd of June, and today we're going to make a funny experiment for you to learn what happens with the virus and the diseases, okay? So, what do you need? You need a plate, you need some water, you need pepper, and you need soap. You need 4 things. So first, you will have to take the plate and put it on the table with a little water. You can throw some water on it, maybe a glass of it, so it can have some water on it. Then you will throw some pepper on the water, and you will see how the whole water is full of pepper. Then what do? We put our finger on some water with soap, and once it's wet with the soap, you put it in the middle of the plate. And what will happen? This. When it was full of pepper, then you put your finger in it, and all the pepper flies away. And next to your finger, there's no pepper. So this is what happens when you wash your hands. When you wash your hands, all the virus go away from your hands. So that is why it's very important to wash our hands all the time. Okay, you play in the garden, you wash your hands. You're going to eat something, you wash your hands. You go and ride your bike, you wash your hands. And you have to do it lots of time. Okay? So enjoy it, pay attention on it, and wash your hands. Love you, frog. See you tomorrow.